This is basically one of the oldest form of architecture of Uttarakhand. It is called the Koti Banal architecture. So if you see behind me, it's a house which has space for humans, for animals, for bees, for everything. And I'll show you how in the way. It's a 4-floored house. Most people would see it as just a 2-story house, but it is actually a 4-story house. The first story is where the cows live. The second story is here. If you see, there are the goats, and that is where the goats live. And then there is another floor which is for the humans to live. And then there is an attic floor inside the house. So it's a very integrated style. Also, it is just using wood and stone. If you see, every part of the house is removable. It is just interlocked. There is no cement used in this house. You see, there are just wood structures and they've filled it with stones.